why then was brought here during the Spanish time. Wow, right? Yeah, right. The Big Blue actually originally came from here.
So this is the barge that came from Colombia?
Yeah, that's right. The area of the jet planes and the ships when they're target shooting. That's the area where they do the target practice. So it was only built, the one the mayor talking about the Hanjin shipbuilding, that's the one. Right beside the container terminal, the grains terminal. As you can see, the silos, there are 3 big silos.
Understand that transition is tough. Hey, you're going to be seeing so much business coming in.
Near the 1800s is a naval facility of the Spaniards. Used to be the Spaniards Navy in here with their galleons. But of course, in 1901, when Americans came in with their metal battleship and they fought it here, all the galleons sank. So if you see the divers, they're diving the galleons. Very good dive sites here. About 18 locations dive sites. And also the American military ships that was sunk in here. There was an incident when, you know, the hell ships, they call the hell ships, where the American POWs are, I think it's not tomorrow. We're here on a bay cruise with the 4 mayors. We are right now passing the Hanjin shipyard, going to be the world's biggest shipyard. But for shipbuilding yard, you have to something like that.
Like I said, this is why you guys can attract so much investors, in your country.
So that's why sometimes when I'm reading at the blog of the PPNews and some of the comments are saying that we might not be qualified to do the job. Then they have to just look at what we're doing. They shouldn't be thinking twice on the capacity, the capability of our work.
American Pacific Line.
Yes, sir.
We have like the American shipping line. We have Matson's navigation.
It's a big one.
Yeah, I think there's like 4.
What's training the workers and they're building.
So Intel owns the ships.
The ships, well, before they are being built, are ordered by different from Panama, worldwide. That's what is they are ferrying the workers from here to Matterport. To carry, I think, 6,000 workers at a time.
So it's an everyday fare back and forth.
Right. Usually at night it's bustling with activities. You see all the welding going on. And,
I think that's the best time to work too.
right, it's more comfortable, especially when you're inside those small compartments. But usually before they put them out, it's already pre-fabricated inside the shop.